5 Best Tools for Managing Personal Finances. Managing your personal finances can feel like a never-ending puzzle, right? From tracking your spending to setting savings goals, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But here's the thing, you don't have to do it all on your own. The right tools can make managing your money easier, more effective, and even a little fun. Whether you're just starting to budget or looking to refine your financial strategy, these 5 tools will help you take control of your money and build a stronger financial future. So, let's dive in and check out these game-changing personal finance tools that can simplify the way you manage your money, track your expenses, save for your goals, and more. 1. INAB, you need a budget. Let's start with one of the best budgeting tools out there, INAB, or you need a budget. If you've ever found yourself wondering, where did my money go? Then INAB is the tool for you. What it does, INAB is all about helping you give every dollar a job. Whether you're paying off debt, saving for a big purchase, or simply trying to stay within budget, INAB helps you create a clear, actionable plan for your money. It's perfect for people who want to get serious about budgeting and avoid the guesswork. Key features. Envelope system. INAB's envelope system helps you allocate money to specific categories, such as groceries, rent, and savings. Once a category is empty, you can't spend any more in that area until the next month. Real-time tracking. The app syncs with your bank accounts to update transactions automatically, so you know exactly how much money you have available. Goal setting. Set goals for paying off debt or saving for something special and track your progress as you go. Educational resources. INAB has tons of tutorials and workshops to help you become a budgeting pro. How it helps you. INAB makes it easy to stay on top of your spending by showing you exactly where your money goes. It's an ideal tool for anyone who wants to avoid overspending and start saving intentionally. Free plan/access. INAB offers a 34-day free trial, and after that, you'll need a subscription. However, many users find it invaluable enough to pay the subscription fee. 2. If you're looking for an all-in-one tool to track your spending, savings, and investments, Mint is a great option. It's perfect for those who want to keep all their finances in one place. What it does, Mint connects all your accounts, bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and investments into one dashboard. It categorizes your spending, tracks your net worth, and even alerts you when a bill is due or you're approaching your budget limits. Key features. Automatic categorization. Mint automatically categorizes your spending, so you don't have to manually enter everything. It helps you see exactly where your money is going. Budget tracking. Set budget categories and track your progress throughout the month. Bill tracking. Keep track of upcoming bills and due dates so you never miss a payment. Credit score monitoring. Mint offers free credit score tracking, helping you stay on top of your financial health. How it helps you. With Mint, you'll get a bird's-eye view of your entire financial life. It makes it easy to track spending habits and stick to a budget while keeping you informed about your credit health. Free plan/access. Mint is completely free, making it accessible to anyone looking to manage their finances without committing to a paid plan. 3. Empower, formerly Personal Capital. If you're ready to take things to the next level and start planning for retirement or investments, Empower is the tool for you. It's a financial planning and wealth management app that helps you track your net worth and investment portfolio. What it does, Empower links all your financial accounts, including retirement accounts, checking and savings, and even credit cards. It provides a comprehensive overview of your financial health, including how well your investments are performing and what your projected retirement savings might look like. Key features. Investment tracking. Get detailed insights into your investments, including performance analysis and asset allocation. Retirement planning. The app calculates how much you'll need to save to retire comfortably and helps you stay on track. Cash flow management. Track your income and expenses in one place to ensure you're not overspending. Fees analyzer. Empower helps you track and reduce hidden investment fees that could be eating into your returns. How it helps you. Empower is ideal for individuals who want to plan for the future and take control of their wealth building. It helps you understand your investment strategy, track your progress, and adjust as needed. Free plan/access. Empower offers a free version, but if you want additional wealth management features, there's a paid version available. For Truebill, now Rocket Money. Are you tired of dealing with unwanted subscriptions or forgotten bills? Truebill, now known as Rocket Money, is here to help you take control of your recurring expenses. What it does: Rocket Money helps you manage and cancel subscriptions, track bills, and monitor your spending. It automatically scans your bank accounts for subscriptions and gives you the option to cancel ones you no longer need. Key features: subscription tracking. The app automatically detects your subscriptions and helps you manage or cancel them. Bill negotiation. Rocket Money can help you negotiate lower rates on bills such as cable or internet. Smart savings. The app uses your spending patterns to suggest savings opportunities and helps you put aside money for your goals. Debt payoff assistance. Get personalized advice on paying off debt faster. How it helps you. Rocket Money is perfect for anyone who struggles with keeping track of subscriptions or managing their monthly expenses. It helps you save money by cutting unnecessary costs and automating savings. Free plan/access. Rocket Money offers a free plan, but if you want premium features like bill negotiation, you'll need the paid version. 5. Monarch Money. For those who want an all-in-one, AI-powered financial management experience, Monarch Money is a great choice. It's a modern, comprehensive personal finance app that combines budgeting, tracking, and financial planning. What it does: Monarch Money lets you track your spending, manage your investments, set financial goals, and create a personalized financial plan, all in one app. Its AI-driven insights make it easier to stay on top of your finances and plan for the future. Key features: AI insights. Monarch uses AI to provide insights into your financial health, helping you make smarter money decisions. Financial planning. Create the custom financial plan and track your progress toward your goals. Budgeting. Easily set up budgets for various categories and track your progress. Collaborative features. Share financial information with a spouse or partner to stay on the same page. How it helps you. Monarch Money is great for people who want an all-in-one solution that combines budgeting with long-term financial planning and investment tracking. Free plan/access. Monarch Money offers a free version with basic features, and the paid version includes additional tools and insights. Conclusion. There you have it, 5 powerful tools to help you take control of your finances, set goals, and build wealth. Remember, managing your money isn't about being perfect, it's about making progress. Whether you're budgeting for the first time, tracking your spending, or planning for the future, the right tools can help you every step of the way. So, pick the tool that fits your lifestyle, start using it today, and watch as your financial confidence grows. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment on which tool you're most excited to try, or share your favorite money management tool. Let's start building wealth together.